Hello children, today we are going to discuss the topic, the Indian Constitution. What is the meaning of Constitution? The Constitution is defined as a body of rules and laws according to which a country is governed. It determines and defines the form of government. Now, what is the form of government of India? It is a democracy. The powers exercised by the various organs of the government, the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The limitations of these powers, the people's rights and duties. Adoption, enactment, and the enforcement of the Indian Constitution. January 26th is referred to as the date of the commencement of the Constitution, and we celebrate January 26th as the Republic Day. It was on this date that it was proclaimed, "We the people of India have transformed ourselves into a sovereign." Sovereign means internally supreme and externally independent. Socialist. Socialist is a government which looks after the welfare of the people. Democratic. Republic. A republic is a nation of which the head of the state is elected by the government, by the people. Date of adoption. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. Date of enforcement of the Constitution. The Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. Significance of January 26th. January 26th had a great significance for India's struggle for Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj means complete independence. The Congress session at Lahore on December 1929 had passed a resolution for declaring Purna Swaraj. On achieving independence on August 15th, it became the day of independence, and January 26th became the day as the Republic Day. Features of the Constitution. Indian Constitution is a written constitution. It is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Indian Constitution has been influenced by other constitutions of other countries like Britain, Canada, and Australia. Single citizenship. Single citizenship denotes the legal status of an individual. It gives the individual civil and political rights as well as socio-economic liberties for which loyalty is owned by the country. Single citizenship means an individual is a citizen of India and not of the state. The Indian Constitution recognizes only a single citizenship. Universal adult franchise. The Constitution is based on the principle of universal adult franchise. Every citizen of India who has attained the age of 18 has the right to cast vote. There are 6 fundamental rights. They are right to equality. Equality means all people are equal before law and all people have equal rights. Right to freedom. Right to freedom is an inherent part of the Constitution. Right against exploitation. Exploitation means preventing someone being hurt. Freedom of religion. Every Indian citizen has the right to practice and propagate the religion of his or her choice. cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. If any of your constitutional rights are violated, you can always approach a court of law. Fundamental duties. Duties towards the nation. To cherish and follow the national ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our culture. To promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood. Duties towards the self and children. Every citizen should develop scientific temper. Scientific temper means a temperament which is devoted to an rational inquiry. The spirit of humanism. The love of fellow beings is called as humanism. The spirit of inquiry and reform. It is also the duty of the parent to be involved in the education of children. Duties concerning the environment. It is the duty of citizens to protect the environment. Duty towards the state and society. Duty to abide by the Constitution and to respect its ideals and institutions. Duty to respect the national flag and national anthem. Duty to protect the sovereignty and integrity of India. Duty to defend the country. Duty to safeguard public property. Directive Principles. Part 4 of the Constitution lays down the directive principles of state policy. The directive principles are in the nature of directions or instructions that tell the legislature and the executive what to do. They serve as a beacon light to the courts as well. Nature of directive principles. They are non-justiciable. If anyone violates the directive principles, then there is no remedy through any legal proceedings. Fundamental. A state should apply these principles in making laws. Welfare state. Welfare means providing for the growth and development of the people. A welfare state provides for its citizens a wide range of social services such as education. You know that education is universal and it is free for all people. Medical care, education, the provision of employment and social security. Social security means providing jobs or assistance to the unemployed, sick, old age people or disabled people.